Ikirenga ikigukumanya chimbwe cy'umugusi cy'inkenco chinsoni
sara tekyomungo muhaka wachegesa muhakonya kubateye manganayo no mungina nero karansana babanga ari nyumba mangana saba karansite naro komya bayiseke
abaganga abari kunyara baraseme ino
umuraria Vincent Onyancha nigo isaransiri n'abamanyi b'ikigusi iriwo konyoria kogosemia nagukumanya iguru y'ichinyiga kirecho
chingekero cy'umugusi agano tokuriga mangi tokwana mangi kera togukwanira igoro ye chingekero cy'umugusi twesemye kigusi na kebinto byare na kebinto bire
twari tarikinere kira ritukulia la misi chinsa ibiri cyabutuko na boigo moiroro ritukulia juma chinsa isano na ibiri nejideke 15 chia mugaso
tetunde babanga tenga kitoke moiwe
Kiremambia jama tuko yiwike gochakira Jumatatu goika ijuma chinsa 12 cha mambia goika chinsa isato imeya Ndizi TV
kuna botambe toko chakeli iritukuriao ase ogwansu tumede na manga koraganire kuritukuri goro nuko tukobogima konde bone mambia ni goto kwarigania ase morobiri ogwe ensaki umete sara numete ensaki umete na mugasogete umete mambia ewa no moda de na ki tiganda sokye gero isiko
nda nyenzaki
na nenzaki umete ne bwate vitamini
ne bwate
ona entwe manjo muri ari ntura gotika maiga imana ntuno to kwa vitamin D gete
vitamin D
murubiri no yo muvuka ugochakia na kurosa litukuriao asenjire ndunge kima ensakia ya Ndizi TV asugo kumanya iguru y'amangana siasa aliyatekire obuchenu chisemi richiko na boigo iguru y'amangana yigenka
karo wekiwe sherabneri ya committee maximum prison egitire iga imineti igota kirobenye mali bakokore egesibo kyao kiri gwasibire twasejereyo
umerana na Sara Untita na Brighton Makuri
emitandao Facebook ni gotonyora Ndizi TV News na sensemo ya YouTube ni gotonyora Ndizi TV News na sensemo ya Twitter na goto tweet ase @Ndizi TV News ina dia tokonyora uchumbe yao asenjira yobukirana
boigona bagotonyora gwetera asenjira ye SMS osabali mogo torora kurwa sinsemo chama chingumbwana nsiyosmole tokoroka diaspora amago tonyora gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke
utarasoka ku nyumba mwao ni mambia yao nigera umchurie imeya Ndizi TV
Nagukuanire handonsi asobereto moncho mulgeria Ndizi TV ase margoba yabono nechinga kichindira nengo kwaligania ase meseti ya mungana maya ense yamo yabono margoba elinkomanye unatwago sangereria onsi kurubaho kieto ikachinse chigabono chiyabono margoba ninkagerete buna kwabwateli tukurigiana na kwaliganirie ite komanyana ya anyare kagwateka inyora stalikini 15 omotinyine ko yo 12 gosege sunte kya masaba oyumanyekanete buna yo 12 mwaka bw'ekiri bubere na 2021 munyore stariki bune cyarero omutienyi buno yorere genteki yagoseke bengi akolekanete ense mogete aso mwaka bw'oliwe ya muchimya kyanda 1972 obomo bwa Commonwealth igo bwanyarete kurali sense ya Australia abasubati bonsi balikira sense yo banyare gwakanwa kibesa kirengaine ayo na yakolekanete asenga kiyo kolinda seri tukuri ale na rigo sakolekana na kwalekane saranso ike aseri bwanyare kugusansamuranira na gukumanya iretere ne nkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha. Etogo chaka noroboti kurwaiga asense ya Kenya na nenigoro yendwali ya COVID-19 bono ebinyinyi ebijya bya COVID-19 bimanya kantebu na Omicron nigo byasoire asense ya Kenya omwaziri bobo chenu mutaika weniga nekirebu na abantu batatu wekira boniga batokire nebinyinyi bya Omicron ebibikoranda subwango nago itasubwango ka weniga tebira semargo bayabona abantu bagandre kubwatia amachiko yogo tango kuranda kwebinyi bya COVID-19 anene ebinyi byasoire asense ya Kenya bijia bikorokona Omicron.
Through Kenya, and we have at least 3 cases so far. We have a lot of other samples that we are sequencing. So in the next 2 days, I will be able to confirm the spread or otherwise of the Omicron variant in the country. As I had said earlier, what we are hearing and what the information we are getting from other countries across the world that the variant spreads very quickly, very fast. The effect of the spread is that if one has been vaccinated, the level of attack is a lot less and the need for hospitalization is limited. So if one has been vaccinated, they are getting chills, a bit of headaches and so on. But so far, what we have seen ourselves and what we have heard from our colleagues from South Africa and elsewhere is that the level of hospitalization is less than the Delta variant that we had some time back. So far, the hospitalization cases that we have in our country are still Delta. We have not detected any Omicron variants in our hospitals. But of course, as I said, we are carrying out sequencing in all our laboratories so that we are able to give Kenyans a better picture of where we stand as far as the Omicron variant is concerned. It is clear, however, that moving forward, the Omicron variant is likely to be the dominant variant, not just in our country, but across the world. And we are happy that the management of the variant globally is now being handled in a better way. We have had some countries that, for example, had closed and locked out. People traveling from some countries have been removed from the red lists, and that's a good plan because the way to manage the virus is to ensure that we keep away the virus, but not necessarily keep away people. This variant is there with us. It is going to spread. There is no question about it. And it's a question of us preparing ourselves. We have urged that through the COG that all counties begin serious preparation for any eventuality. We have also urged that Kenyans get vaccinated. This is no time to debate. This is no time to start hesitating when it comes to getting vaccinated. The statistics are clear. In the countries that have got a widespread Omicron variant, it is clear that if you have been vaccinated, you are much better off than if you have not been vaccinated. If you have not been vaccinated, what you are threatening is your livelihood. So our, as a government, what we are saying is that let's everybody get out there and get vaccinated. And we have asked the county governments to wrap up capabilities and preparations for that and for
Chingakio ayuagendrete ekiombe kiobo chenu asensengi ma WHO World Health Organization igona karugo kiaoborere enchira ebinyi bya Omicron ibibere ebinyi bya corona bigendrete kuranda ase chinse ao kolengana nekiombe kiobo chenu asensengi mani go gene kiruna oikera boni ga chinse 50 na isano na ibere nigo chene kiugotoka nebinyi bya Omicron abwasano nyina bo motene bwe kiombe kio atebire buna na biranyareka buna chinse chinde nigo chibwate ebinyi byo bocio asikorende bataramanya buna na bibigenderete korie abantu babo igakurire chinse chionsi kone kimunango bwati baramachiko yogotanga okuranda kwebinyi bya COVID-19 nabo igokembe kikyobo chino asensengima igo gyatebere buna ejabwango nande yane kiugotoka nebinyi bya Omicron nense ya Rwanda abwaso muteni bwekembe kyatebere buna abantu batano noyomo nigo batokire nebinyi byo maiga ya batatu kutoka asense ya Kenya.
Omicron is spreading at a rate we have not seen with any previous variant. We're concerned that people are dismissing Omicron as mild. Surely, we have learned by now that we underestimate this virus at our peril.
Africa is now officially in the fourth wave of the pandemic, which is partly due to the Omicron variant. There's been an 83% surge in new cases on the continent this week compared to the previous week. This is the fastest surge recorded since May last year.
Togotigana na yo yebinyinyi bya COVID-19 igotogoika asensemo ya kitu cha Chenotha asekenyorokia nyamare kegotoka ime ya ikuruma omongina ya momotakano nigale no goichana asomwana yatangira senyagetari ya Kenyatta asogosinywaka na chibasi nyagetari chire emilioni yemo nugutsa isato omurikeito wa mangana ya Mildred Mumanyi norobochi urwa senchira iyoboikirano.
Obogima ase chinga kiechi bwabeire obokonkegima ase amagima ya kiromonto ase omongina Yoventina boigo nigo obogima bwa mokongeire maiga yokoba omoboraka wetania emyaka 20 nigo bono agontebya omwana olenge komokonya bono nigo arwalete
ombwato omuchando omwana ndwalirete okoro kuchocho chogo ande gondo omongina omobaraka na chagete kobo omongina omobaraka kuru omwaka bwa 2000 na moja January ngatikerwa abana abake ndabwati kende goikira bana iga ekara ya ikagaiga omwana oyo ndwarire nero renge etegemea asenge yiga mno bakonyi oikire urwarire asoba ko ngubuyenda na akorera tu operation ase omwaka wa 2017 agachiaka bwena ase nyakitari ya koptike tukaonikere gento twabwate gaiga ntubwati astokolema ntubwati kende gyonsi nechiro tamenyete na ntubwati esosi
niga agontebya buna enyomba konye ya mugwereire naigo omotangio ya George Konyora ochakire kumwagachira oborwaire bokamonyora bono nigo akorara isiku
ya ikire gatiaiga omwana oyo konyo utakire kombekere nyomba ya ngwereire omanyire kurwara bono isikomenyete timbwati enamunende yonsi ndatebe
bororo mbwa monyene ase Yoventina ugusaba kwae na kuoko
ya ikeire gaiga basani nabairi gonda basabe ga kimondigererie muno mongino mubaraka timbwati sinyona timbwati moino na moino ena ali ya bairi na basani tokaji ko koligi tibese ntibete no ne chiribu komi ne piri gega ne irie million point 3 lakina alirira ase mole abairi na basani mondigereri gaki omwana oyo nerete gemea singe ye yane gaki igongo kwana na mahabira gaki amanene gaki mondo rira mahabira muno mungina mubaraka
ebina byebirero byo mungina Yoventina uyo bwate omumuro yoralia senya gitali ya Kenyatta National Hospital osikiroro esengenchunga tabwati bese chisaine cyo kumurusia senya gitali ginko reporter ya egetaseni Ndizi TV eletaliane Mildred Mumanyi
Biyamono Mildred Mumanyi asorobochiro asenchira jobo ikirano togotigana nere Mildred Mumanyi omuraibu nsuru Kenyatta litokolia lero nigikirana sensemo ya Kasarani eligo cha kibene omurobuli bwogachi wekinyombo cy'abanyanyimbo ba KDF Kenya Defence Force uruni gate abuna asama tukale bosyo igo baligeti abanyanyimbo ba KDF kwagachira kinyomba ase barabe bakomenya ne chinka cyabo samo ne chifamily cyabo omurikeito wa mangana ya Sara Nyarangi baraza norobochi rwa senchira iyobo ikirano
hep hep
Omorai bwense Uhuru Kenyatta nigachakia bene omorobelio bwoko bagachira abanyanyimba ba KDF chinyomba echibagu cha komenya ne chifamily chabo.
Siku ya leo ni siku ya furaha. Ni siku ya furaha kwa sababu tumeona mwanzo wa safari ambaye tumeitegemea kwa muda mrefu. Kwa muda mrefu tumejua ya kwamba tuko na shida ama ukosefu wa nyumba kama ofisa wetu na askari wa jeshi, na tumekuwa tukitafuta mbinu mbalimbali ambazo tunaweza tuzitumie kuhakikisha ya kwamba tumeweza kutosheleza hiyo shortage ya nyumba kwa KDF.
Nigo igateba eye nemerobelio bachakirie eliokonakia abanyanyimba bwo banyorire gati ya magani ali baganetie goikirania emeremo yabo buya.
Mimi sina shaka ya kwamba huu mradi utatekelezwa kulingana na vile mipango ilivyo. Kwa muda mchache sana tutaweza kuongeza huu mradi kuhakikisha ya kwamba kila askari anaishi kwa nyumba ambaye inafaa na anaishi katika kambi ya jeshi kulingana na matakwa ya kisheria vile inatakikana. 5, tuwe with decent accommodation for each and every single serving man and woman and their families, and that is the objective.
Omo waziri Bobolendi Eugene Wamalwa nigonere akwanera igoro yomorobelio yo.
That we will see modern buildings here that will house our officers. This is in line with your Big Four agenda, and particularly, Your Excellency, the housing pillar. I'm very, very pleased that MOD will be contributing towards realization of the Big Four, and particularly the housing pillar through this project.
Abanyanyimbo korwa KDF nigo bairaneria ngambu ya mono ase ogochakigwa kwomorobelio yo.
Your Excellency, we are very pleased to be here. And especially to have you come to inaugurate these buildings for these young soldiers. For quite a long time, Your Excellency, we've had the intention to build houses. Your Excellency, for the support and the guidance that you've given us in terms of coming to this point where we are having to construct over 3,000 houses in 5 regions of our country.
Mbiyemono Sara nyarangyontita baraza asoroboti rwa senchira yoboikiranu togotigana nere Sara igotogosuka mutwego chi ase oroboti ronde chingaki chiskuru chigo chigosieke ikyegocha igobono abayiboli baboli wekane kibunankole ndabara abana babo nakubasemye chimbwa chingiya anenekeremega aho erachi gokolekana aso muchinyo yigo ikomina kabere gati yabo chingaki chigo chengeresuku nabo igono mwakomo ya gati iyemeyegende yego chingaki chabayiboli basemigo kane bunankoligeri bale chiri podcast chi abana babo elikomanya na kibago kalekero barase chiskuru
bono asengencho eruse yego chikoba erenyenge na abana banyigari nyererete mono enataka gotebya Bible abana buna bagocha mo bapoke buya na intunko batuma tole buya kurwe skuru moligereri chiri platform chiabo mororenga ibakora buya morora sobo kongubule mugambe n'abana sobwagale mechando kibabwate na inde na kitura bwatira ne mechande yo egere skuru chiko igorwa omoiboli nabo gocha ororo mwalimu okogendese skuru omwana osoma ororo mwalimu mugambe mechando ya yo mwana na inde molenda abana esuguku nabo moko bakelimo bwate moko inyoranga chiskuru nchise chigoru mobalende mosemani onye talinga kieko benke abana mbaga chire chisemina chiruse chibaro kiwamangana
togotigara asensemeyu uyechiskuru ni gobono aborokia ao anene bali ba scouts bomerana ime yawe buye elikonyara gukwana mange na gutwara amahorokererio uno bagukikogeria bande ekero bari achiskuru omulike itonde mo Steven noroboti rwa senchira yoboikirano
Abarimu abaraibe chirombe chia scouts korwase cheskuru chechi county chia Bungoma na Busia mbaumerana imeawe buya na gukwanira igoria chinchira choko gendereri chiskuru na aboroki gubuya.
A preliminary training course, one of the scout leaders training course that will give skills and the capacity of our teachers who are the scout leaders in working with the scout units in their schools.
Lengo la hawa walimu kuja hapa ni kwamba mwanafunzi asiwe anaonekana anajua sana. Kuna vipengele vingi ambavyo wameweza kujifunza juu yake ili waweze kuwafunza watoto. Wamejifunza jinsi ya kuepuka mambo ya utumizi wa mihadarati au madawa za kulevya. Wamejifunza njia na mbinu ambazo mwanaskauti anaweza tumia kwa minajili ya kukosa kujiingiza katika vikundi ambavyo sio vizuri.
Nigo bono basabire chiskuru gosiro burayase aboroki gubabo na kubaegeri chimbu chingiya echo kirabakini buya na kubatana na nebikorwe ebibe.
For the 3 days we've been here, we know that we are going to help those young ones so that they can be able to grow into holistic persons, good citizens, people who are able to take care of the environment or environmental conservation, take care of anything that is around them. And I know that through the topics that we have learned here, we know in future our children are going to be good boys and girls.
Bono nigo chiskuru chigo chagosieka ase wiki gocha aso motimokomoke. Ndemo Steven, Ndizi TV.
Ndemo Steven, Ndizi TV, biamona soroboti ruwasenchira yobo ikiranu togotigara asensemo yechisemi nabana ekera ayo agenrete ebyombe imeye county ya Nakuru ligobono byasokire na kwane kinkonya bale gukora ebikore byabana konyora melitage nkyo anene ekero bale chiskuru byombe bikurase county yo igobabuli ya Bible kwane kinango kwana bale nabana babona koba obosemya kirengaki edikonyara komanya mechando kibagwetera na libaranyara kokiania amalito agenkyo.
Okay, jina langu ni Alice Wanyonyi, nasimamia idara ya huduma kwa watoto hapa Nakuru. Kwa sababu shule ziko zinafunga. Na hapo nyuma wakati watoto wamekuwa likizo ndefu tuliambiwa na tuliona kwamba watoto wengi waliweza kupata mimba. Watoto hawa ni wa shule. Watoto hawa wanatakana ulinzi. Na ulinzi huo utoke kwa mzazi ama yule ambaye amekaa na mtoto. Kwa sababu visa ambazo tulikuwa tunaelezewa ni kwamba mtoto ameenda kutembelea shangazi yake. Na kwa shangazi yake kuna vijana, kuna wasichana. So mtoto anaachiliwa anaenda kukaa kwa nyumba ya vijana wenzake. Na kumbe huko ndiye alikuwa anapata hizo mimba. Kwa hivyo tunawaomba wazazi, tafadhali mkuwe makini na hawa watoto wanapokuja kwa likizo.
Kwa majina ni Cosmas Mutua. Mimi ni katibu Nakuru County Reproductive Health Network na leo tumekuwa na hafla ya kuleta memorandum. Tunajua kwamba mambo ya mimba za utotoni zimeongezeka na maambukizi ya HIV among teenagers ambapo tunaambiwa zaidi ya 18%. Takwimu zinaonyesha kwamba wasichana wetu wanapata mimba wakiwa wadogo na lazima tushikane kama jamii. Hatuwezi kunyamaza wakati hali ilivyo sasa.
Kwa majina naitwa Evelyn Wairimo kutoka shirika linaitwa Okta. When we look at teenage pregnancies, we must agree that it's the girl who bears the burden of teenage pregnancy. And we need our government to formulate and implement policies that protect the girl child. When these cases are taken to court, the girls, the perpetrators, regardless of their age, should be punished in accordance to the law, and the girls should be given opportunity to grow and opportunity to pursue opportunities.
Togotigana norobotio rutogenda sensemo ya siasa umuraiwe kiama kia UDA oyiboigore omokonyu muraiwe nse William Ruto igobona mochiro koigurwa kwe byama au ana sensemo ya Western Kenya. Ruto kaokwana sensemo ya Rwandet na Butali nigate abuno koigurwa kwe byama sensemo ya Western nigo koroko goserio konene anena sogo turubani obomo bwege sakukyo omuruya. Ruto nigaya kuwa na yali tukelimo maiga ye kiama kia DAP Kenya Democratic Action Party kugura litukuligoro ekyo kirara uno mubunge ogundanyi omanyakantu buna wafula wa munyinyi ase omulikibwe kyame kyachoretu koba omubunge Tongaren SR Simiyu. Ruto nigo chinga kyechi atabiruna okuyiguro kwebyame byo anasensemo ya Western Kenya nenchire mu yogosali obwamato buyasa atabiruna okuyiguro kwebyame osebyame byo nigo gosegetire no murebwe kyama gya ODM Raila Odinga.
Waswahili wanasema umoja ni nini? Si umoja ni nguvu? Kwa sababu unajua njama ya hawa watu ni kutupanga katika chama ya kona, kabila na chama ya kijiji. Mliona hata chama ingine inaanzishwa jana ya kijiji ati kujaribu kusumbua Musalia, kuangaisha kina Wetangula, na mwenye kupanga hiyo ni mtu hii ya kitendawili tu anapanga ati akoroge hapa. Mimi nauliza nyinyi, tafadhali musikubali tugawanywe ati tupangwe kwa chama ya kona hii, chama ya kabila hii, chama ya sehemu ile, chama ya kijiji hii. Tunaelewana? Kwa sababu hao wanaotupanga kwa hiyo mambo ya kabila na kona na chama ndio njia ya rahisi ya kutugawanya ili waweze kuendelea na kupanga mambo madogo madogo, tukose kupanga ajira ya hawa vijana. Na ndio mimi nimekuja hapa watu waliwaandete mapema niwaulize, jameni, mnakubali tuungane? Jameni, mnakubali tuungane? Si nimekuja kuuliza kwa unyenyekevu, mnakubali tuungane?
Togotigara asenseme yu ya Western Kenya samangana bwatene na siasa omugavana we county ya Kakamega Wikiri Fombeto paranya ni gabure gasako kiabaru yako ene kibunango chabara amo na gotoro obwamate elia soko nyara gosiro montoyo mokurwase enseme yu kaukwana kurwa asensemo ya ptere oparanya ni gate birebuna ereni gauchi bwatania na goso asobomo bulibwa azimio ra umoja obulense yo muraiwe kiama gya ODM Raila Odinga.
Wewe sikiza tu. Na unaweza kusikiza unapooza. Si lazima ufanye vile anasema. So, muwe watu reasonable. Tunataka hii election tufanye kwa amani. Election iko siku moja peke yake kwa miaka 5. Inakwisha. Maisha inaendelea vile ilikuwa inaendelea. So, si vizuri kuanza kutumiwa.
Ayo kagendrete omugavana we county ya West Pokot John Lunyangapo ni gamochise gichiategeteli tokolegoro echereta abantu batano gosiria magimabo asenseme yunani gagandio muwaziri wobulindwe me Dr. Fred Matiang'i kane kibunanko bekaro wolende boisainia asenseme ya West Pokot watana abuni go basiretia magimabo maiga yokobuna orwebe gati ya West Pokot na boigana nseme ya Erigeyo Marakwet obwatani bwamo igobono bwaboli ukwana asenseme yu bunenchere yemo yokonyara tingia obolendi.
Bunduki 5 na watu 5. Kila mmoja armed to the teeth ndani ya Kenya, katikati ya nchi ya Kenya. Sio askari, sio KPR, sio mtu ya army, not any license officer, Bunduki 5 kupatikana kwa village moja. At a corner of a village. 5 is very abnormal. Inamaanisha karibu kila mtu mwenye anaishi hiyo area ako na bunduki. Bunduki 5 ni kama nguo. Ama mtu anavaa kofia kama vile ninavaa. Everybody is normal with it. Nataka ni ulize serikali kiongozwa na CS Matiang'i, tulikubaliana na wewe ufanye operation yote toa bunduki kwa kila mtu raia ya Kenya. Rudisha vitu yenu mali inatakana iwe. I am condemning with the strongest term possible. Serikali gani inakubali bunduki iende kwa mkono ya raia? Hiyo ni swali ni lazima mtu ajibu.
Mbona hawezi rudi huko sababu ashajua ni yeye, sababu hata ifenifa saa hiyo alisema kama mmeshapiga mpiga kufe. But hali Mungu ndio alisaidia. Hata huyu saa hii kama amepona hivi, akipona tu ni kama hawezi rudi huko.
Gotigana norobotiro maiga yabantu chiri bwa chimi isano na isato osiria magimabo asense ya Amerika kurwa sebinyi bya COVID-19 bone bunge eyo inse eyomo nyakirobobo ni gobairali bagalia bene konyora abantu bali baseria magimabo kurwa sendwali ya COVID-19 ani gagocha karo kelindwali ya COVID-19 ya rokane komenta chinsem anazo wataka kwebinyi bya Omicron.
The chair asks all members in the chamber, as well as members and staff throughout the Capitol, to rise for a moment of silence in remembrance of the 800,000 Americans who have passed away from COVID-19 virus. Let us pray that they rest in peace.
Wanchumulgiria hinyeronsi ya nigogendrete kuyanyora gwetera Ndizi TV obwansubu mugusi nyira ayonsi na boko nyora gwetera ensemo ye mtandao ensemo ya Facebook buna Ndizi TV News na boigo ensemo ya YouTube na boko tonyora buna Ndizi TV News bali mwensi tuabwatira na SMS ya mangana ya kuberene mbia asoko bana intuna ya yumuligiria ase ogochora gotengera Ndizi TV nyora chikora gaisato aywa munenda mange ingena na SMS igasiribwa nyare ko sansa muranira na gukomanya omweri omangana mayense yabono maragoba reteriane nkoro ko Vincent Onyancha.
Ndizi TV.